Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create and manage Chrome profiles for multiple users. So creating and managing Chrome profiles is a great way to keep your browsing activities separate for different users or purposes. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and manage Chrome profiles in Google Chrome. So to create a new Chrome profile, you can just open the Google Chrome on your computer, and then in the top right corner you can click on the profile icon, this one, until this show up, and you can just click on add a new profile in here, and in the window that appears you can just click on the sign in or just continue without an account. So if you want to sign into the new profile, you can just uh, fill in the details by clicking on this box. You can enter your email and after that your password, but you can also continue without an account. And next, if you want to switch between profiles, for example this one's right here, I already have two profiles on my Chrome. You can just click on the profiles that you want to open and it will be open like this. And if you want to manage profiles, to edit the profile, you can just open the profile menu by clicking on your profile icon and then click on manage your profile, manage Chrome profiles. Here you can just choose the profile that you want to manage and click on the three dots and select edit. Here you can change the name and also you can change the photo or the theme color like this. You can also use Chrome profile for different users because Chrome allow you to have multiple profiles. You can share Chrome with multiple users, so each person can have their own personalized experience. So to set up Chrome for different users, each user should create a separate profile, and then users can sign into their own Google accounts for syncing. Profiles are also useful for separating work and personal browsing to keep things organized. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.